Welcome back to the channel. If you have been struggling to get your lines perfectly leveled while designing in Inkscape, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to draw a straight horizontal line in Inkscape with total precision. Whether you are creating icons, technical illustrations, or layout guides, mastering the constraint key is an essential skill for any designer. If this video helps you streamline your workflow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you do not miss our future design tutorials. Let us dive right in. First, locate your toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the Draw Bezier Curves and Straight Lines tool, or simply press the B key on your keyboard. Before you start clicking, I highly recommend checking if your snapping is turned on. You can enable this by pressing the %sign key, which ensures your lines snap perfectly to grid intersections or nodes if you are working within a specific layout. Now to draw the line itself, click once on your canvas to drop your starting anchor point. Move your cursor generally toward the right side of the screen. Now here's the secret step. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. You'll notice that as you move your mouse, the line will lock into specific angular increments, with 15 degrees being the default. This is how you ensure that your line remains perfectly horizontal. While continuing to hold the Control key, click a second time to set your endpoint. To finalize the path, press the Enter key on your keyboard or simply right-click. Now that you have your line, you might want to adjust how it looks. To change the thickness, style, or color, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F to open the Fill and Stroke panel. If you need to move or scale the entire object, switch back to the Selection tool by pressing the S key on your keyboard. Alternatively, if you need to fine-tune the length of your line, use the Node tool by pressing the N key, which allows you to drag the endpoints individually. Mastering these shortcuts like B for Bezier, S for Selection, and N for Node will significantly speed up your design process in Inkscape. If you manage to follow along and get that perfectly straight line, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more professional design tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating.